Persistent myths about AI create either unrealistic expectations or unnecessary fears in organizations. Both extremes damage business planning and lead to poor decisions. Let us carefully separate fact from fiction before you build your AI strategy. Myth: AI will replace all human workers entirely. Reality: AI automates specific tasks, not complete jobs wholesale. Most roles will change and evolve, adding AI as a powerful tool. Complete job replacement affects relatively few positions. Augmentation dominates. Myth: AI works magically without needing data. Reality: AI absolutely requires substantial amounts of quality data for effective training. No good data means no good AI. Your data strategy must precede and support your AI strategy. Myth: AI makes perfect decisions every time without fail. Reality: AI systems make errors, hallucinate false information, and can embed biases from training data. Thoughtful human oversight remains essential for important decisions. Trust but verify. Myth: AI implementation is quick and easy, just install and run. Reality: successful AI projects require careful planning, data preparation, integration work, testing, and change management. Expect months of effort. Plan accordingly. Myth: you always need the biggest, most expensive AI models. Reality: smaller, specialized models often outperform giant models for specific tasks at fraction of cost. Match model size to actual problem requirements. Bigger is not always better. AI is genuinely powerful but definitely not magical. Success requires realistic expectations about data needs, implementation effort, human oversight, and appropriate model selection. Clear-eyed planning produces better outcomes than hype-driven decisions. Module 1 complete. You now understand the complete AI landscape from foundations through cutting-edge capabilities. Module 2 explores how these technologies apply across business functions and industries. Practical applications ahead.